Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to put money into your Monzo account. Monzo is a UK-based challenger bank that offers a variety of banking services, including a current account, debit card, and overdraft facility. One of the great things about Monzo is that it's easy to add money to your account. So, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for a Monzo account. If you don't already have a Monzo account, you'll need to sign up for one first. You can do this by going to the Monzo website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you've signed up for an account, you'll need to verify your identity. This can be done by providing a copy of your passport or driving license. Step 2. Add money to your account. There are a few different ways to add money to your Monzo account. Bank transfer. You can transfer money to your Monzo account from another bank account. To do this, you'll need to provide Monzo with your bank details, including your sort code and account number. Debit card. You can add money to your Monzo account using your debit card. To do this, you'll need to enter your card details and the amount you want to add. PayPoint. You can add money to your Monzo account at a PayPoint location. To do this, you'll need to provide the PayPoint operator with your Monzo account number and the amount you want to add. Cash deposit. You can add money to your Monzo account by cash deposit at a post office. To do this, you'll need to provide the post office with your Monzo account number and the amount you want to add. Step 3. Check your balance. Once you've added money to your account, you can check your balance by logging into the Monzo app or website. If you're adding money to your Monzo account from another bank account, it may take a few days for the money to arrive. You can add up to £25,000 to your Monzo account in a single day. You can add money to your Monzo account from anywhere in the world. Adding money to your Monzo account is easy and convenient. There are a number of different ways to do it, so you can choose the method that works best for you. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video on how to put money into your Monzo account. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.